Okay, good morning to all. So today I am Abhishek Kumar. We are going for this tutorial about predicting student score based on the hours of study per day. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to import all the libraries required for this prediction, such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, pyplot. Then afterwards, we read the data from the remote link that we have been provided, the URL link. We read the data. Since the data is in CSV format, we read the data in CSV format and we select the top head 20 for our training. As we can see here, data is imported successfully. After that, we go for plotting the distribution of the scores. Here, we need to plot on the x and y axis. So we select the x axis as hours studied versus y axis the scores. So we give the our graph as the heading as hours versus percentage. On x level is our studies and y level is percentage score. And then this is how we plotted the graph. And we give the values of the data I logs. Then from we import a scikit-learn model to test our data. So from scikit-learn model we import train, test and split. We split our data into x and y, where the test size is 0.2 and the random state we have kept as 0. And then we train our data. Then from the same scikit-learn library we import linear regression for to create our regressor line for the x train and y train data sets, and then we print as training complete. Then afterwards plotting the regressor line. So here we plot the regressor line as we can see here for the x and y axis. Then afterwards we go for printing the text, the tested value of the data, like we have done the testing for x and y, x test and y test. So here we give the y prediction as regression.predict x tested. Then these are the array values that we got. Then same calls for we create a data frame of actual data versus predicted data. So here as we can see there is a little difference between the actual and predicted data. Then finally we go for as our the whole data has been tested and trained, the model has been trained. So finally we can input our own value and predict the percentage. So here regressor.predict we have used. So we are entering the 9.25 as like how much will be the percentage of the student when he studies 9.25 hours per day. So the answer comes to be 93.69%. Also we can calculate the mean absolute error, so that is 4.18. So that's all for this simple linear regression to variable model of prediction of score of the student based on the number of hours of study per day. Thank you.